So we're going to start out with roughly 4.5 cups of ice, a cup of lemonade, some generic Sprite or this Twist Up, and a whole little pack of Lemonhead. So you're going to put the ice in. You're going to put in the Lemonhead. And it's about to get loud. And we're just starting with these measurements because I didn't measure it the last time I made it. I'm going to put a little bit of, I'm going to put all the lemon juice in there to help it blend first.
Is that lemon juice or lemonade?
The lemonade.
Okay.
Okay, so I blended it a little bit. And I'm going to start with a cup of the soda just for the sake of measuring to see how liquidy we want it to be. Because right now it's very thick. Since it's still very thick, I'm probably adding the whole can, which as you can see is 1 2/3 cup. Now, this is good enough for me as far as the consistency of it. But if y'all want it to be thicker or thinner, what do y'all want?
I think that's fine for me.
Okay. Well, I'm going to let you... Auntie, can you get a straw? And I'll let you be the person who tastes it.
I got your job. I got your job. I got your job. I got your job.
Okay, since it's just a taste, it's a real small amount. You got to come over here, Auntie.
Oh, I'm not looking like this.
Oh, my God.
Just a little bit.
Oh, God.
Hey, fans.
Fans.
Just need a little spritz of vodka.
I ain't got none of that. But I do got that peach moonshine. But then it wouldn't be a Lemonhead.
It'll be a Lemonhead peach moonshine.
I am going to make this when I get back to Texas.
And again, you can stir it up for the consistency to make sure that you have all the liquid mixed in with the ice. But that's how you can make
That is good.
Lemonhead. Oh, I didn't even get all the candy out. A little Lemonhead slushy. Like how they make it at Krystal. But this, I'm wasting good candy. Good Lemonheads are falling on the floor. But
Good.
good. But this is how you can make it as if you were at Krystal. Bye.